All right, hello, Katie. I'm so sorry to hear you're not feeling well. I get headaches too. They are not fun, so I hope you feel better right away. We're going to jump right in. This is going to be your video lesson for the week. I'm just going to start at the top of your lesson plan and work down. So last week we finished up the D major scale and we're starting the B minor. So the good news here is that they are the same key signature. D major, as you know, had F sharp and C sharp in it. So the B minor scale is its relative minor, meaning it has the same key signature, which will, of course, be F sharp and C sharp, since we just played those. So let's look at right hand first. We start with finger 1, and we're going to run out of room. So we go 1, 2, 3, tuck 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So let me do the whole thing without talking, just so you can watch the finger numbers. Now the left hand, of course it will be the same notes, but it's slightly different because we start on a different finger than we're used to. No pinky, but we start finger 4. So we're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 4, 3, 2, 1 again, then 3, 2, 1, and finish with 4, 3, 2, 1. So now I'll do it one more time without talking. Just watch the finger numbers. Does it run out of room? No, you can still see my whole time. Triads, they are going to be B, the third note, which is D, and the fifth note, which is F sharp. So let's look at right hand triads first. We'll do broken and solid. Broken first. And remember that finger 2 only happens not here. Yes, here, not here, not here. So it's only on first inversion when you use finger 2 in the right hand. So here's broken. Let's do it all again on the left hand. So again, same notes. But in your left hand, it's 1, 3, 5 here. 1, 3, 5 here again, and then the second inversion is 1, 2, 5. So here you go, solid. And broken, same finger numbers. Those are what was for today to be prepared. So the one thing we're adding on is the harmonic, B harmonic minor scale now. So as we know, the rule from a natural minor scale to change it into a harmonic minor scale is you raise the 7th note 1/2 step. So let's count out. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 would normally be an A in the B minor scale. So to make it harmonic, we're going to do A sharp instead. So listen to the difference. This is natural minor one more time. Here is harmonic. Isn't it funny how changing one note changes the sound of it so much? Crazy. So what's your new scale over the week? F sharp and the C sharp don't go anywhere. They get to keep hanging out, but we add in that A sharp as well, and the finger numbers don't change. Oh, sorry. I'm playing these at a weird angle so I don't just have my face here the whole time. Okay, so there's your scale for the week. Moving on in your lesson plan, we're going to the Spanish Caballero now. So let me just grab that in the book. Okay, so you did some really awesome sight reading on this last week. Oh, look at that. Opened right to it. Okay, so focus on getting page 1 the same tempo and watch your dynamics and articulations. And then the goal was 1 page and 3 lines. So I know you like to jump right in, hands together. Let me play 1 page and 3 lines for you to practice along with. I'll go a little slow. Here we, I guess I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3. Let me read the music. Sorry, I'm just going to restart. From the beginning. 1, 2, 3. So I gave you more than 1 page and 3 lines. I played the last 2 lines here as well. However, do you notice these last 2 lines? This line is the same as this line. Funny how that happened. So really, the only new thing is this last line. And it looks hard, but it's really not that bad. In the left hand, we have E on the bottom and B on top, just on this last line here. And your right hand plays an E major chord, F major, G major, F major, and back to E. So it goes this chord, E, F, G, F, E, and then 15 Ma. So that means you play 2 octaves lower. So it's written here. You go 1 octave, 2 octaves lower. So it's going to be on the lowest E on the piano. So this last line goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now listen to it without me counting out loud. And there you go. I'm sure you can see where I'm heading with this, but let's make your goal hands together to the end for next week. And hopefully when I was playing it, you heard it, but there should be dynamics and articulations in there. Dynamics, I know you know, are the volumes. Articulation means like legato and staccato. So for example, going from line 2, legato, legato again, and then line 3, oh sorry, staccato, legato, staccato. So make sure you're getting those legatos and staccatos in there. Okay, moving on, but going backwards. We're going to cross-handed arpeggios. And it was to the end of page 11 for this week. So I'll just do a practice track for you to listen along and play with. Here's C major, starting at the beginning, and let's use a metronome, because they are good to practice with. Metronome. Let's hear what 100 sounds like. Probably good. Play. It's a little slow. I'll go a little quicker. Okay, so that'll be our speed for the cross-handed arpeggios. We're in 3/4 time, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, here we go, and then we're in. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Line 2. Okay, so that is cross-handed arpeggios on this page. Finish that up over the week, and also flip past Spanish Caballero and start looking at 6th hour. Just look at it. We'll start it together in your next lesson though. Okay, moving on, we're looking at A Whole New World now.